Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Pokémon on iPhone. First, you will need a special application called an emulator. An emulator acts like a virtual console, allowing your phone to run games designed for systems like the Game Boy Advance or Nintendo DS. Think of it as a translator for your iPhone, letting it understand and play those classic Pokémon adventures. There are several reliable options available, each designed for specific older Nintendo handhelds, so choose the one that matches your desired Pokémon game. Installing an emulator is a straightforward process, though it requires a few extra steps beyond the standard App Store. You will typically need to sideload the application onto your device using tools such as Alt Store or an equivalent signing service. This method allows you to install trusted apps that are not officially listed in Apple's Store. Always ensure you are downloading files from secure, well-regarded websites to keep your iPhone safe and your data protected from any malicious software. Once your emulator is installed, the next step is to find the game files, known as ROMs, for your favorite Pokémon titles. These ROMs are essentially digital duplicates of the original game cartridges. While a vast collection of Pokémon ROMs is available online, it is generally advised that you only download games that you already possess in their physical form. Many community-driven websites act as archives, providing these game files for preservation and enjoyment, so browse responsibly. With your emulator and ROM ready, it is time to start playing. Simply open your chosen emulator application, and then locate and load the Pokémon ROM file from your iPhone storage. You can customize the on-screen touch controls to your liking, or for an even better experience, connect a compatible Bluetooth gaming controller. Don't forget to regularly use both the in-game save function and the emulator's save state feature to preserve your progress reliably across your Pokémon journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.